The #1 question asked by NoCode AI developers is how the heck do I deploy my projects that I built in Cursor, Replit, and all these other tools? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in less than 5 minutes using a free solution. And let's just jump right into it. So my name is Marcin AI. I do no-code development. I have an amazing community. Just check all the stuff below. I'm not going to bore you with that right now. But first, so I built this website in Cursor. I did it as part of a series that I did where I accidentally deleted my website. So I ended up to rebuild it. So let's just look through it. So Marcin AI, this is all custom coded with Cursor. I got my social media links here. Here's our NoCode AI army. This is a private community that we have for NoCode AI developers. So if you're interested, definitely join. We have a huge community. There's 1,127 people in here. It's been less than a week. So that's been absolutely amazing. But back to the website. So I did all this. So here's some what I do, some of my background, couple images, my latest videos for YouTube. And I also have a book a call down here. So that's the website. Built it all in Cursor using AI, no code, and it's been a fun little project. But now, what do I do with this? So this is where Vercel comes in. Here it is. Go to Vercel. It's vercel.com. Just sign up. It's a free account. And then all you have to do is you have to hit Add New. You make a new project. So we're going to call this Marcin AI website. Just follow this step by step and you will be able to do this. So we need to go to GitHub. I totally forgot. So same thing, GitHub is it's a repository where you kind of save your code, and Vercel works with Git. So that's how you do it. Let me go to Cursor and then let's go here. So I'm going to commit my project. So here's the code. Here's everything that I've done. So you have your packages, all the code inside Cursor. And again, check out my other videos for all Cursor demos. But the idea here isn't how to build the website, because you can watch my other video here or there, is how to actually deploy it. So you see right here, it says initial commit from, so we're going to go main, and then we're going to click here and we're going to say main build final. Okay. And then we're going to click that and then we're going to say commit. Okay. And then publish branch. So we're going to do a private repository. This is private. I want it to be only seen by me, so no one else can actually view my code. We're going to host it on our domain, but we still want it to be private. Okay, so now we have successfully published. So now let's go back to our site. There it is, guys. So we got Marcin_website. Okay, as you can see here, let me make this a little bigger. So all we did was we went into Cursor and we did all of our coding, and then we went in and created a Git repository. Now it's popped up here, and now all we have to do is go to Vercel. And then, look at that, it just popped up, Marcin website. It's private, you see the little lock. Make sure this is really key, guys, because if you do public, then anybody can go in and mess with your code. And that's the beauty of Git. And now all we're gonna do is we're gonna click import. And then we're gonna name this project. So this is Marcin AI, okay? This is for my brand. We have our project, it's a NextJS project. We have a root directory, and then all we gotta do is hit deploy. So literally, I don't even know how long that's been. That's been less than 3 minutes because I was going back and forth. So now what it's going to do is it's going to build the logs, it's going to build the website, and then it's going to actually deploy it. And then all we're going to have to do after this is once it's deployed, it's going to be deployed on a Vercel domain. So it's going to be something like marcinai.vercel.com. If you're okay with that, plenty of people are, that works. But what I'm going to do is one step further is I'm going to just connect my domain. So I bought the marcinai.com domain, and all I'm going to have to do is connect the domain to Vercel, and then it's going to redirect the DNS servers. Again, different thing. Okay, so we got an issue. So let's see. This is good, actually. I was hoping we actually do get an error so I can show you how to fix it. Okay. Okay, so let's see what it says. No need to disable rules. Deployment summary. So now let's inspect deployment. And then here's our errors. So we're going to copy all this. We're going to go back into Cursor and we're going to say, got this error trying to deploy to Vercel. This is actually really good. Okay, so now let's see what Cursor says. So right here, I got an error right there. And then you're gonna have a domain. So it's gonna be Marcin AI. Actually, no, I think it's gonna be, let me see here. Let's copy this URL. Yeah, that's gonna be the actual product. So right now, as you can see, it's an error. It's not deploying correctly. So I'm actually happy. I'm actually really happy that this happened. So let's see what Cursor says. Okay, so we're gonna hit accept, and then right here it says that, see, it says it fixed something. So we're just gonna say error deployment fix. Then we're gonna hit commit, and then hit yes. Okay, and then we're gonna hit and push. So it's going to sync. Now we're going to go back to it. And the beautiful part with Vercel, once you have it connected and deployed, it is all done automatically. So you won't have to push again. You're going to be able to just, hold on, Marcin AI, current, Vercel. It will be use existing build and then redeploy. Perfect. So we're redeploying the production. Again, these are all things that you don't need to know right now, but for the simplicity of it, I want to just show you because there's obviously a lot of other things you can do. So it says another build is in process. So let's take a look. Okay, here it is. So we got another error. Okay, error deployment fix. Okay, let's see what happens. But that's basically the process. So it's not going to be able to do it until obviously it fixes it, and we're going to be able to fix it. And that's the process. So you build something in Cursor or Replit or whatever other AI tools you're using. Then you set up your Git, you push the repository to Git, and then you connect Vercel with the Git, and then you allow the Git to be pushed to Vercel to then publish. And the cool thing about using NextJS is think of it as like an app. Okay, so we have another error. So let me go in here. Oh, you know what? I didn't accept. That was my bad. Yeah, I totally screwed that up. So let me, so commit and push. Always. That was my bad. I actually didn't actually commit it, so that was totally my bad. Okay, so we just have to wait now a few minutes or seconds. And if you guys have not joined our community, it is absolutely buzzing. We got 1,127 people in here. Builders, developers, coders, no-code people, full stack people. We're building projects, building businesses, building SaaS. We have a bunch of products we're working on. We have a live call, excuse me, that we do every week, and where we get to go in and jam and do a Q&A and so on and so on. It's 100% free for you guys, so just click the link in the bio and join. And it's only the beginning. We have a SaaS product we're launching. We're launching a faceless product. We're launching a bunch of different scraper tools. We're working with lead gen and so on and so on. So that's the idea. Yeah, and make sure you guys check out some of my other videos. I've been making some fun, replicating products, you know, redoing stuff to show you the power of no-code AI and like literally the AI revolution that is upon us. I'm super excited about this stuff. I am truly a no-code developer. I've been in the tech space for a long time and used to run a app company with a designer and a developer, and I was more kind of managing projects and the creative guy. But now I feel like this is a superpower for guys like me. So if you have been interested, if you've been on the peripheral looking into this AI space, really just, you know, check out my videos and see really the power of this and how quickly you can actually make things happen. So right now, and again, I wanted to show you with a free plan. This is why I set up a free plan on Vercel. Okay, guys, it is officially live, our website. So here, let's see the current. And guys, drum roll, bang. Look at this. We are done. We have literally deployed our website in a few minutes. It all works. So this is not working, so that's totally fine. We're going to fix that. That's just an integration for Calendly. But everything else, let's see if it works. There's the link. Let's book a call. It goes down to Calendly. Let's go to the connect section. Yes, we're going to click that. TikTok works. X works. Instagram works. And YouTube works. There you go. And on that note, if you guys are watching this video and enjoyed this video, give a follow, give a comment, let us know what we should build next, what you want to learn, and definitely join the no-code AI army. All this stuff is below. And if you guys end up using some of my links, you'll buy me a cup of coffee, and I would really, really appreciate it because I do love me a nice cup of joe. But there you have it, guys. From start to finish, we just went through and deployed a project that was done on Cursor. We went to Git, we pushed it, we used Vercel, it automatically published it. And now the last step actually before, I just want to show you how easy this is. I'm not even going to do it here because it's just going to be unnecessary. You go to domains, and then all you do is you say add existing domain, and you go to Marcin, hit select, continue. You write your domain, marcinai.com, add, and then it's going to look for it, and it's going to say, hey, go to your GoDaddy or whatever you use to get the domain, and just change these two things. The A record, you're just going to add that, and then the name servers, and that's it. And you're going to be done. And now it's going to, when you go to marcinai.com, which you guys could check out because I'll probably have it live by the time you see this video, and then you're done. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you in our amazing community of no-code AI builders. All right, see you guys in the next video. Peace.